Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a cooking video. So on Wednesday night I was googling some recipes and I came across this one. It's called one pot Cajun shrimp and sausage over rice recipe. So I didn't get the top part, but I got the step-by-step instructions of what to do. So I'm gonna show y'all not all the ingredients, but some of my ingredients. So I got the Cajun seasoning, of course. I have 2 packs of the andouille sausage, and I'm surprised they even had this because I was gonna get the other ones, the kielbasa ones, and it's andouille sausage, turkey sausage, 65% less fat. So we got 2 of these, and me not realizing that I should have got this yesterday. I should have went and got the shrimp from the fish market, but I wasn't thinking about that. So I got this bag. This is a 2-pound bag of, and the fact that they're already cooked, but they're frozen, so they're gonna work. They're gonna do what they gotta do. And the tail is off, so you can just eat with the sausage like that. So we got the sausage. Over there by the stove, I have rice. I was going to do corn on the cob, but I forgot that when I went to the store this morning. So we just going to do sweet corn. And that's all she wrote. So now I'm about to cut up the sausage and put it here in this pot. And I'm thinking I'm gonna cook the sausage and the shrimp together in the pot with a little bit of oil. It said use olive oil. I always forget olive oil, so I'm about to just use some vegetable oil, and that always works fine for me because I be forgetting things. So yeah, as the shrimp thaw out, basically I will add in, I'm not going to add in a lot of seasoning because I don't know if everybody likes Cajun seasoning, so a little will go out, a little goes a long way, and I'll just go from there. So now I'm just about to cut up these bad boys, so stay tuned. Okay, so now that I've got all the sausage cut up, I'm going to pour in some oil in this pot, and let this cook down some. And then I'm going to add in the shrimp. So, see ya at the stove. Okay, so my sausage is in this pot. About to turn on the stove. Medium. Pour in this vegetable oil. That's enough. But I'm also thinking about taking out some of this sausage just in case not everybody like it spicy. You know what? We're gonna put it in here. Alright, we're gonna just scoop out some of this just in case not everybody likes it spicy. Yeah, that should be enough. Or you know what it is what it is. Listen, if you don't like it, oh well. You know what? I ain't got time for that. Alright, now we got our oil in. I'm going to add in the shrimp. And it might look like a lot now, but when it cooks down, it ain't gonna be that much. Alright. We're gonna put the lid on and just let it sweat down some. All right. Maybe put it on medium low, so that way we don't have nothing burning. And stay tuned. I'm going to actually put the rice and corn on in a minute. Okay, let's check on this shrimp and sausage. It smells good too. We're going to turn the heat back up some. Alright. It didn't really cook that much because it was on low. Let that sit there. About to pour in this water for this rice. Turn this on. Then we're going to add in our corn. Join. Then we're going to add in our rice. Now we're going to add in some butter, just a little, to the rice. And then we're going to add in some to this corn. And then we're just going to add in some pepper to this corn. Let me get the other one. This one's empty. Stay still. Put that on low. Let's add some salt to this rice. And stir. Look, you see the shrinkage. Shrinkage is real. It doesn't always apply to the hair. But yeah, we're gonna let this sweat down. We might need to pour out some of this, or I could just let it cook on out. Alright, so I guess I can start adding in some seasoning. I'm gonna just do a little bit because I do not know how everybody's gonna like theirs. Alright, I think that should be enough because we still gotta stir this in. Yeah, just a little bit of heat should be good. I think I'm gonna add some parsley and some garlic powder. I'm gonna bring it closer so y'all can see the goodness. Look at that. Yes. But anyways, I'm gonna let this cook down some more. And yeah. So y'all stay tuned for more of this cooking video. Ooh, this looks good. And it don't even have like that much seasoning, well, not that much Cajun seasoning on it. But I think I might add a little bit more. This looks good. Would y'all eat some of this? Y'all want some of this? Here, I can share. You can have some here. Okay. This looks good. And the rice is almost done. Where's my fork? Oh, I gotta get another one. I swear I be wasting the most dishes, but I clean them up at the same time. Stir up this rice. This rice is almost done too. Let's see this corn. It ain't doing nothing like, but I don't also want it to burn. Alright, rice is almost done. Oh, that smells so good. And all this supposed to go over some rice. I'm about to drain some of this juice out of here. This is a lot. First, let me add some more seasoning. I think I'm gonna let this cook uncovered, so some of this will evaporate. I think I should add a little salt. That's a lot. And add a little bit of salt and pepper. Yeah. Then we're gonna stir. Oh, I have to add some more parsley flakes. I don't know what it is, but these joints be good. And they don't even have a taste to it. Alright, that's good. And I'm gonna add some pepper. And now we're gonna stir. And we're gonna let this cook so that the juice evaporates a little bit because this is a lot in this pot. Alright, rice is coming along. Basically, y'all stay tuned because I'm basically going to show y'all when I'm done. Waiting on this corn. So I poured out all the juice on the shrimp. And it was OD. It's OD spicy now. So I'm going to put some of this butter in to help counteract the spice. And that's it. This rice is done. Well, almost. Yeah, but look at this. Don't this look good? Look at all that spice on that shrimp. Let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see what I see. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, I thought I spilled it. I was about to say no. But here, I'm going to show y'all one. Look at that. All that spice. And it's nicely seasoned too. So this butter will give it a nice little sauce as well. Oh, y'all can't see. Let me move y'all back. There y'all can see. But yes, this came out nice. It tasted good. I had to taste it, you know. You don't know how your food is unless you taste it. And this is just fine. Gave it a little butter sauce along with this Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and parsley. And that's all she wrote. Ooh, dinner's going to be lovely tonight. Now let's check on this corn. Alright, that's done. Look at that. It's finally done. But y'all can't see the steam. Oh yeah, you can. It's done. Rice is... Oh no, I turned off the wrong pot. Trying to do the most. This is almost done. This is definitely done. Nice little butter sauce. It's going to be lovely over some white rice. White rice. Okay, guys. I'm just going to end this video here because I don't want it to be too long. And that's all she wrote. So we have our Cajun shrimp and sausage and the butter sauce with some white rice and some sweet corn. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, we're back so y'all can see me. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. That way you know if I want to post. And until next time, we out here. Peace. Don't tell me I can have it 'cause